Hey everyone, it is May 26th and it is 57 degrees. It just went up from 56 to 57 in the last minute. It is 9:51 in the morning, and yes, I am in Southern California. I am wearing a cashmere sweater that I knitted because it's so warm, and of course it's my favorite color, this color of red, as you know. But I just finished a live stream and I thought you might like to see my setup when I do these, because all you see is my face, like from here to here, and you really don't know what is my setup. I have so much to do in the garden because Eric hasn't been here in 2 weeks and he won't be here for until next Saturday. So I'm going to get busy in the garden and I'm going to harvest some blueberries. This is the first little batch. I've only had one blueberry so far and it's fantastic. And I'll show you. Okay. Oh shoot, that is so typical. That is so incredibly typical of me. I'm going to finish my tea and we're going to get busy in the garden and get things kind of cleaned up. We'll just get busy and I'll show you what's been going on. All right, stay with me. So it looks like it's going to rain a little, and I'm going to shift my main priority from big garden work to sort of doing some trimming and pruning and cleaning up, and then we're going to harvest, see what I can come up with to harvest for a salad. Okay. This is what happens. Very often the bud just dies right there before it ever opens. This one got almost open, and these the same. If you know what this is, let me know. You know, I like to point out anything new that's blooming in my garden, and look at this. And this is a wild sweet pea, someone wrote and told me. And so I thought it was a weed. I didn't pull it out. And I think it would grow over the driveway if I let it. But isn't that gorgeous? No smell, really. These are umbel flowers, and beneficial insects are drawn to umbel flowers, which means they're like an umbrella, curved, and a bee can just walk over the whole top of this and get pollen very quickly. And this is a drought-tolerant plant. I think these freesias are about done, and they're really crowding out these cannas. I'm gonna, you know, I don't know anything about freesias, but I'm gonna take that off because it looks bad. The freesias are intertwined with the hairy veg, and I'm going to cut off the bad ones. My snapdragons look terrible. I have some sort of fungus that has attacked everything. I'm trying to keep these older ones that have been here for 2 or 3 years going. So I'm going to cut them way back. And spray what's at the bottom. As soon as they finish blooming, I'm not gonna not look at these beautiful blooms. This is what this fungal looks like. It's got these, it's actually called rust on Snapdragon, I'm pretty sure. I looked it up. It's rust. So remember when I said I rarely have weeds? Well, I've got a few. This one won't even pull out. Perfect opportunity to try out my new knife. This is my Sensei garden knife that was just sent to me. I got most of it. Not sure what that is, but it's typical weed. And I got another big weed over here. This one is growing out of this pot, and it's actually blooming. But this entire pot has the disease for the snapdragons, and this weed has mildew, but I can just pull it out. You see those spots there? That's all mildew covered. Oh, that knife works good. Another weed. Okay. This is what miner's lettuce looks like when it's finished. But look at that, it's got little ones coming here. So I think I'll just cut that off. Yeah, I like this knife. All right, let's see if this comes back. got another weed there. And all this is, it looks like that fungal disease has gone onto the oxalis, which is also a weed. I get a bunch of weeds jumping over here because this is my neighbor's grass. Nobody has real grass here, it's all weeds. Ooh, this is a great little tool for weeding, gotta say. Okay, I am going to make my salad now because I'm starving. So what do we got? We got, let's see, we got some lettuce. Look at that. Look, we've got a nice beet here that's ready to go. And these beet tops are young enough, I think I can eat those raw. The knife worked great for that too. These are the toy onions. This lettuce is bolting. I'm going to go ahead and cut it. I think I can eat these leaves. They get a little tough when it starts to bolt, but I think I'm good. Okay, here's the finished product. And it's radicchio, some beet tops, my purple potato, my beet, my blueberries, my toy onions, nasturtium, borage flowers, which are edible, and nasturtium flowers. The only thing I didn't grow in this bowl is the egg. One more new thing blooming I just saw. This is the Chinese pumpkin that overwintered in this pot. Thanks so much for watching this channel, liking my videos, and especially sharing them with your friends. Please look in the description below for ways to support this channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.